Most people when buying a house will go to a bank and get a residential loan. These loans are usually based on the customer's credit score, down payment, savings, and income. Because most people are buying a house to live in, the banks care deeply if the person can afford the loan payments that will be charged every month. This should make sense concerning a small starter house, but think about a massive commercial property, say an apartment complex. Unless you are paying millions of dollars to buy it in cash, you also need a loan. How many people do you think exist that have an income that could pay hundreds of thousands of dollars a month for a massive complex? Not many. That is why commercial deals don't use the typical residential mortgages and don't pay attention to the individual's finances when getting the loan. Experience is important, but not the main metric. This is where commercial loans come into play. One of the most common is the Debt Service Coverage Ratio loan, DSCR. Look at the title carefully. Can you guess what the loan is based on? Most lenders, when lending out a DSCR loan, focus on whether the loan can cover the debt that it is accruing. In other words, if a property is making $100,000 a year and the debt is $100,000 a year, then the ratio is 1, which is not good. That is break even. If the property made $200,000 and the debt was $100,000, now the debt ratio is 2. This would be a very appealing deal for a lender to lend on since there is plenty of breathing room if the income drops due to poor economic situations. Finding a lender for this loan is very simple. I have met multiple at real estate meetups. I also have lenders that can set up DSCR loans that are recommended from my real estate agent. If those two methods don't work for you, then a simple search on the internet should give you a wide range of options. BiggerPockets, a real estate website I frequent regularly, has an option to help you find a lender along with realtors and property managers. Remember to always do your research before getting a loan. Most commercial loans are not 30-year fixed interest rates. They end earlier.